Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Shopify domain in Meta Facebook Business Manager. This process is essential for connecting your online store with your Facebook business presence, allowing you to run more effective ads and track customer interactions accurately. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. Look over to the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. From here, locate and click on your Facebook business page. This will take you into the management area for your business presence on Facebook. You'll now be on your Facebook business management page. Take a moment to scan the left navigation menu again. Here, you need to locate an option called Meta Business Suite. Click on it to proceed. This is the central hub where you'll manage all aspects of your business across Facebook and Instagram, including domain verification. Once you're inside the Meta Business Suite homepage, direct your attention to the Profile drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see a business portfolio selection appear on your screen. Within this window, look for the gear icon, which represents business settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the comprehensive settings area where you can configure various aspects of your business account. Now that you're in the business settings menu, you need to navigate to a specific section, look for an option labeled Brand Safety and Suitability, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, select Domains. This is where you'll manage all the domains associated with your business, including your Shopify store. In the Domains section, locate the plus Add button positioned in the top right part of your screen. Click on it to begin the process of adding your Shopify domain. You'll be presented with two choices: create a domain or request access to a domain. For this tutorial, we'll use the create a domain option, which is the standard method for linking and verifying your Shopify domain with your Facebook Business Manager. Click on create a domain. You'll now see a field where you need to enter your Shopify domain. Type in your complete Shopify store URL, making sure it's spelled correctly. Once you've entered it, click on the Add button. After adding your domain, you'll be presented with 4 steps to verify your domain ownership. These steps typically involve adding a meta tag to your Shopify store or uploading a verification file. Follow these instructions carefully, as they're crucial for confirming that you actually own and control this domain. Once you've completed the verification steps, click on Verify Domain. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Shopify domain to your Facebook Business Manager and completed the verification process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.